So you have an old PC laying around and you want to take out your slow, giant 3.5-inch hard drive that runs really hot and put in one of these new fancy NVMe drives. But you've looked all over your motherboard and there is no place to put it. So how do you get it in there? Let's figure it out. First, you open up your brand new NVMe drive and need a place to put it. You go online to Amazon and you buy this for under 10 bucks, an NVMe PCI 16 adapter. You take your NVMe drive and you screw it in to the new adapter. Don't forget the included heatsink. Now we're going to pop this into our open PCI slot, make sure it's nice and snug. Now we're going to fire it up and look at that RGB PCI slot. Let's see what happens over here on the other side. After installing Windows, you're ready to go. All product links are in the description.